Hey guys, it's Happy Sunday. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Here I am cooking some Jamaican style, what we call fricasse chicken. This is where you fry seasoned chicken, then you cook down in a sauce. I love this chicken so much, quick and easy. Jamaican style Sunday dinner recipe. And I am also making some green gungo, peas, with rice, run on over and check it out. I'm seasoning my pot and I boiled a piece of seasoned chicken in this to add some flavor to this rice and beans, which is also another Jamaican staple that I love so much. It is known in America or in the Spanish community as pigeon peas. We call it green gungo peas with rice. There is a full video on my YouTube channel displaying how I make this pigeon beans with rice, also known as green gungo in my Jamaican community, but in the Spanish community, it is known as pigeon peas. Run on over and check this out. Quick and easy. Typical Jamaican style Sunday dinner. Fricassee chicken, which is fried up, then cooked down with lots of aromatics, herbs, and spices in a sauce, which I use tomato paste to add flavor and taste to the chicken cooking up in the gravy instead of some ketchup. What are you waiting on? Run on over, support your girl, drop a comment, like, share, and I did some American style mac and cheese on the side. Thank you. Bye.
If I say every time in come, I then go stay.